If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go what?
Subscribe.
Yes,
Comment, like,
and share the video, right? If you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself. So tonight we're doing a video that is a challenge, right? We go. Eat it or wear it. So if you look sleepy, don't mind. It's about after 12. No, in the morning. Yeah. So I feel very exhausted. So, anyways, what's gonna happen? We have a bowl here with 10 things, and the 10 stuff that we have, we'll put them in front of it. So on the paper in the bowl, yeah, we wrote whatever we're gonna eat or we're gonna wear it. So we're just gonna what? Choose a number.
Yeah.
And then alright. So make sure you stay tuned to see exactly how this challenge go. So who will go first?
Really go first.
Rock, paper, scissors. You wanna go first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so you go first. Because you peep there, yeah?
No. This look like one of your when I touch.
What is funny? EGG, egg.
Oh, an egg.
Yeah, me the right, so let me change my mind.
Oh.
So get it, eat it or wear it. But I don't wear it to the rock clothes.
Oh, alright, I'm gonna wear it.
Y'all gonna wear it?
You can't eat an egg.
See that? So, woo! Wee! What if me have the bag can't put a ground because I don't want to catch on the floor. Let me get a bag. You never eat egg when you fry?
Yeah, but
alright, find the bag. Just in case we have to put you out the door in the bottom. So she's going to wear it, so you want me to wear it?
yeah.
Oh god, your clothes. We have a store that the clothes there. Eh? Where's the clothes? Think of her as the fried pot.
Oh no!
That's crazy. Y'all go right here?
Yeah.
Lad. Boy.
Oh, you're like eat one egg.
Lad. That's crazy. My time.
Like your eye.
Alright, my eye.
Come on.
Please make I don't wanna wear. This is like one of yours. Water? I must drink the water. Water? Drink the water, of course. That's so easy.
Water.
I can use this water right here. Boop. I'm gonna deter something. You next.
This is what she gave me now. Gosh, if I want to hear one of me, I do my body. Like,
I don't know. All you choose them is simple. Paper.
mustard.
Mustard.
May I eat that? Me can't wear something.
Oh, no
May I
problem.
eat that?
No problem, sis. No problem. You want it in your hand? When I come back, can I bag it out? No, me shake it up. You like mustard in general?
No.
Good. I didn't like it either. Tastes too bad. Alright, my time. You go on.
You just so
It's all yeah, I'm going to so off. different tasteful taste. Right? Hope it's none of mine because mine are crazy. Mayo. What kind of pussy? Take it to it. Eat it our way. You know, expect me to eat the mayonnaise? There's so many things inside the kitchen. I'm going to tell Dave that. Choose something inside of the kitchen. No. Choose all the easy stuff them. Like.
I would have enjoyed it.
This awkward in my mouth, but it's alright. Who next? You?
That's just one. No, this is mine. Thank God, lime juice.
Lime juice. I should have a shot glass. Then me can get any amount me want to give. I should have a shot glass. You can take it in this. Me? Mustard out funny taste. You put back this in there, mustard. You put it back in there?
You did have one.
Did it have a mustard too?
Did you read that? So take a mustard.
Come here, where you did the one with the mustard before? You throw it away? Or you put it back in there?
See here.
Oh.
Come on, me and you. I'm going to forget it. But we have to move this up.
Oh.
Yeah, eat your way.
May I eat it? Where would I eat it? Davia!
Yeah, we eat it. If you don't eat it, I'm gonna make it weird. Everything will come off my hand. Everything. Everything.
Man empty. What more you want me to cover, man?
Put it.
Man empty.
You know, empty.
Let me have a batch of mayonnaise and mustard. How long if
And now I'm going to go.
I feel it too well.
So one of yours, Jesus Savior, God help me, I'm browning. You know, say I'm browning this and if I'm browning tomorrow. If I'm browning.
I'm so happy that you get all of my stuff them.
I want me to get no
I
eye.
will brought lad.
God.
Me not going near me okay.
I'm smelling first.
That can be very close, so that's easy. No, what should they do? They just like a square.
But that bitter.
They just like a square.
No, Tash. Remember, you did share your. Remember where you
share my what?
Your mayonnaise. My turn for share my something.
Well, okay. But you never chose. Nah, you must have to your bad. Let me see what I put in there. Talk to it, Davia. Show that to the camera. Why not that?
Some in there.
Nothing not in there, Davia.
Some in there. Nothing liquid.
What?
Some in there, Tasha.
Take a little bit more.
No. This bitter.
Come now, man. Take a little bit more. I'm gonna put it by your clothes. If I eat it. Eat it something.
Oh God.
Right here.
Like, you know, go on tongue so. have like one cool. Something that is like sour-ish.
Maya can't. What is how you can't do though?
Constipated.
Constipate, lad. Tasha, how the egg got stick on for your foot? Come. Come here, put your bag to get in the bathroom. Oh, I forgot my man. I'm going to stick up with it again. Please make a cooking oil. Please make a pepper. Please make a, after me paper this, you know, from this here here. Vinegar.
What have you done?
Vinegar. Can't eat it. Vinegar. Me share.
No. Remember you did share your mayonnaise.
But you share your brownie now while ago.
Exactly, so share for share.
The girlier.
You share mayonnaise first, I'm saying. Likewise, share mayonnaise, but you share my brownie.
Alright, one.
Let me get a little bit because I see my mom really get a
No, it's okay, not man. Let me think. You say that, give me more.
Not one second, taste that man.
Oh, who next?
I mean,
You next. 2 paper. God, please make a cookie man. Please make him get cookie man. Picky paper. But y'all go through this whole thing from Davia. Davia, put them on the paper.
No!
Where I put the paper? A paper that you know.
No. Yeah.
We eat it. Let me share the paper for you now. See that? Be pass it back to the gimme. Yeah.
I'm not even gonna put so much on my food.
Come, have a drink.
God, go with me. Gosh, it's a wickedness.
Hurry up, no, hurry up.
You can't wear it?
Weary? Wait, Daddy, people down here, that
It hurt.
Taste the pepper. Pepper not hot. You alright? You want water? You want water?
It's not hot enough, but can burn the throat.
Let me get your water. I don't want to give it too much water. Come on, just wash it down. I guess the last paper belongs to me, which is cooking oil. That's funny on that because I can't afford for that getting my clothes washed out. That's you get to share with one, you know? Right?
What? You must be.
Oh, this is going to work. This is not good for me, Davia.
You just get knocked.
Man, I'm feel weary.
You're weary?
No, but the clothes are for wash out.
Well, take that.
Give me a man.
You do?
Yeah.
You really gonna take this?
Come on, give me a man.
You know we're not yet in a touch.
We can't put it on my clothes. That don't wash out. We are now, but never agree to weary. We'll go watch that, Davia.
Just put it in the water and it will soak. Remember water and iron mix.
Alright. Come. Hurry up now before I'm changing my mind.
No, not you.
Hurry up. exactly where to wash out. David, I know waste. Jesus. Ooh. I know exactly where to wash out. Oh my God. You think I have much now? I've made on me with nothing. Who gets
As we don't make up put in a soup.
So the bowl empty. Bowl empty.
So basically she win because I wear like almost everything.
No, you wear one thing. You eat two? Yeah. Only
I want something to wear.
egg alone I wear. You eat everything else?
Well, I tie.
It tie? Well, yeah. We never ditch nothing or anything. So that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next video, right?